Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. How to create Amazon Music artist account. And then basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna just open up your browser, and what you're gonna do here, you're gonna be able to see this is your your Amazon this is your browser, and here's how it works. Head to artist.amazonmusic.com and sign into your Amazon account, and then select your artist name and complete all the fields, and then fast track your verification by including social media links and more. So if you want to get to know more about how it's done, just simply go ahead to your Amazon. Let me just go ahead and find the article right here, and basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna be able to go ahead to artist.amazonmusic, and then log in with your Amazon account, and then select the artist name and complete all the fields, and then verify your verify that you are an artist by adding your social media links and more. Okay, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.